Hey guys! Hey, rude. Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to our new house! Yeah! Yeah! So yeah, I have some amazing news for us at least.
Yeah, for us it's amazing.
I don't know if you really care about it, but we bought our first house.
So excited.
So exciting! So yeah, as you may have noticed, I was very absent on the internet the last few weeks because I was very stressed about everything. But we just got the key from our house, like literally half an hour ago.
Yep.
And this is the first time we're actually standing in our house.
Our own house.
Yeah, without the realtor or without the previous owners in there. So I thought, why not give you a little house tour?
Yeah.
Also, it's very echoey in here still. I mean, I hope the audio is going to be okay. But obviously there's nothing in here yet. Also, if you're wondering, no, I did not hit Desley. He was holding Pokey. He was like cuddling Pokey, and then she sneezed. And she sneezed into his face.
Yeah, right into my face.
Yeah, it was like a head bump, like a very hard...
Such a lame excuse. But it's not an excuse.
So yeah, Pokey gave him a black eye.
Yeah.
Are you doing okay now?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How's Pokey doing?
She's fine as well, I think.
He's fine too.
I guess.
Okay, but yeah, let's get started on the house tour.
Yeah, let's go.
Shit. Also, the light is probably going to be not so great because they took a lot of the lights out. Welcome to our first room. Well, it's not really a room. This is our hallway.
Yep.
This is the unique old school tile design from the 30s because our home is built in the 30s, so it's pretty damn old. But yeah, so it has like all the original details in it still. Cute.
Yep.
Cute.
That's fun.
We have a light switch that we can turn off
And on.
and on. Sick. Then we go into our second hallway. Oh my god, so luxurious. And then we can go right into... This is probably... Well, I'm excited about a lot of things in this house, but this is just... So if you know, maybe you don't know, I've been doing YouTube for about 4 years now. And I've been filming from our living room for 4 years now. Like, I've never had an office. I've literally just had my setup in the living room with all the makeup and the cameras and the lights and everything. So now I have my first actual office in my home. Look at this. Shit.
So big.
This used to be the master bedroom, but we're gonna turn it into my office. And just look how big it is.
So much space.
Oh my god. And there is a door that I can't close. Like, I've never had that before. I've never had a door that I could close for like my office. So now I got my own office.
Which is pretty damn cool.
It's so cool. I actually can't believe it. It's like maybe my favorite thing. So yeah, this is the first room. Shit. Okay, now we go back into our hallway. Come on, MTV. Come on. Okay, so then we have our hallway again, and then over here we have our bathroom. So let's go inside. Oh,
Hello.
dirty mirror. Holy shit!
Oh.
Maybe we need to clean this,
Yeah,
but
we need to
okay,
clean
that's
this
fine. So we have our shower over here with our beautiful rain head. Also, the ceilings are so high because, again, in our home, in our apartment where we're living right now, we live on 2 floors, and the top floor is like the attic, so it has a slanted roof. And it's pretty low. So in the bathroom, when you're standing in the shower, you can touch the ceiling. But now, I am too small to touch the ceiling. Then we got our beautiful toilet where you can do pee pee and poo poo. Oh shit! You get it? You get it? Then we turn around and go to our bedroom.
Yeah.
This is our bedroom now, with some beautiful wallpaper that we're not gonna keep, but that's okay. So yeah, now we kind of have to figure out how we're gonna put our bed yet. So I'm probably gonna be
Over there.
sleeping in our bedroom.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god. Sick. Okay.
You're excited, right?
I'm very much excited. Okay, and then now on to one of my other famous things. Our kitchen, living space, living area. So, as you can see,
It's a pretty big kitchen.
look at this. Look, I can like run on my kitchen. This is, I think, like the feature that sold me for the
Yeah.
house, because just look at this kitchen. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, you can open the fridge and you can put food in there, and like we have an oven. I can put so many snacks in this oven.
Yeah.
And one of my favorite features of this kitchen, we have a dishwasher.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at this shit! Oh my god, finally a dishwasher. We never have to do the dishes by hand anymore, like,
That's the dream.
that is honestly the dream. So yeah, this is our kitchen. Very excited about it.
With a nice concrete wall.
Yeah, nice 5 fire thingies. And something else that I've always wanted to have in the kitchen, because it's just very useful, is drawers. Like, drawers are so useful. Oh my god, and this has like mega drawers. It's so big. Look at it. I could probably like, no, could I fit in there?
Yeah, if you want to.
And maybe you can like, shit, I don't know if I can fit. I can definitely fit Poki and Pablo in there,
Yeah.
but I'm not gonna fit it.
No, we're not gonna try that.
And then we turn around, and this is like our living room, which I'm so excited, like the kitchen and the living room are in the same space, because I just like an open plan.
Open plan living.
Open plan living is my kind of living. So yeah, this is the living room. So excited. And then, if you turn around, boy, shit, oh shit! We have an actual garden. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh shit! Oh my god, we've never had, I mean, I've had a garden at my parents' place, but when we moved together, we had a balcony, which was pretty, I mean, it was a nice balcony, but it was pretty small. And especially now that we have a little doggy, I just had to have a garden. I want it for myself and I want it for my animals, and I'm so excited.
Yeah, I can't wait for all those barbecues in the summer.
Yeah. We have an actual garden, like that is so insane to me, because
Amazing.
we live in a city, and it's pretty difficult to find homes with gardens.
Yeah.
Because first of all, everybody wants to have them, and second of all, there aren't like a lot of homes with gardens, because most of them are just like apartments, you know. So it was difficult to find one, but we got a house with a garden. So yeah, we got the key today, as you can see, because we're standing in here in the house. So we're actually also gonna start with like renovating everything. I mean, we're not gonna do a lot of things, but we're definitely gonna change some things here and there. So I will film that too, and then I'll give like an update or something, like before and after video. I don't know if you want to see that. So yeah, this is our home. This is the reason why I was not around for a while.
You want to do a happy dance in our new home?
Can I do the word?
No, you cannot. Let me take off my jacket first.
Damn, look at them. Taking his clothes off, that boy. Shit. Whoa, damn. Look at him go. Oh, shit.
Pretty excited.
Pretty exciting stuff.
Yeah. Let's
Cool boy.
let's start to rip this place apart.
Shit. Shit. Should I, like, for the thumbnail, should I edit myself in front of like a huge mansion?
Yeah.
Because I feel like some people think I'm like extra rich for some reason.
Yeah,
So I can like,
would be awesome.
yeah, so let me like edit myself in front of my Jeffree Star's home. I bought a new house. Oh my god. Thank you all for watching. Yeah, I'll update you on. Oh, do you want to be framed? Oh my god,
Yeah.
your eye, it looks so sad. Poor baby.
It's nice getting a dog, right?
Yeah, cute. Well, yeah. See you soon, bitches.
Yeah.
I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, and I see you
My next video.
next video. I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm like, I look so tired. Oh my god, look, I'm an actual egg right now. Do you see that? Oh my god. Your head is way smaller than mine. What? I'm sorry, I just can't. Like, how is your head so much smaller than mine? If that is not okay. Anyways.
Later.
Later!